Good morning guys, in front of me is VIVO Y19s and let me show you how to fix app crashing on this device. So if you got some app that is crashing that you cannot use, let's start with opening settings, then locate and open apps, go to all apps and choose the application that you've got this problem with. Let me open Maps. Now click on Force Stop, tap on OK, and that's it. So that's the first step. Now let's open your Play Store. Go to your account and choose Manage Apps and Device. Click on See Details under Updates Available and check if it's on this list. Okay, so here we've got the maps. Let me update them. Wait till it's done. Over here you can observe the progress. Yeah, so that's it. And now just reset your phone. So just tap on power button and a good volume, down button, tap and hold. Now unlock your device and use it smoothly. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.